at Sri Sairam Institute of Technology in the stream of Electronics and Communication Engineering. Then I have joined the QSpiders for a full stack testing course. For that, first I have started with SDLC, which was taken by Chandrasekhar sir. He has taught for my lifetime. I have listened to for one class, means that is class only. We have taught with real-time examples. Then I have taken with manual testing course, and Chandrasekhar only sir only take a manual testing also, and he taught every topics very slowly, and he has given clear explanation in every topic, so which has helped me to remember all those key points while I was during my interviews. Then I have taken with the SQL batch, and after that I have joined for a RoboVoice internship, which has helped me to gain much more stronger in technical skills. And thank you, QSpiders.